how much traffic you send to the funnel. So you could have a low ticket funnel and just sell one-off product with maybe one upsell or a few or none, and you could crush it. It's just all about how much traffic you send. Or you could have like a tripwire funnel, which is the best, and you have a really no-brainer offer. You got order bump and upsells. I'll go into each element of everything inside this entire channel, and in this video today I'll talk about a lot of special things about how to crush it with tripwire funnels, and even the traffic side of things we can go into. Oh, and then we're also gonna also another funnel where you could crush it with, where traffic's in direct proportion to what you make, is a high ticket funnel. Okay, we'll talk about that. I mean, every funnel imaginable we're gonna be covering inside this whole entire channel. This is a big deal. I also have a done for you service where I have done for you funnels for you guys that crush it. These are like money printing funnels. It's great. Okay, so that's what this is all about. We're gonna have lots of funnels over time that I share with you that are insane. Okay, so definitely subscribe for that reason, and let's dive into the first video ever for the channel. This is the whiteboard of truth and justice, baby. And to talk about what the tripwire funnel is, let's dive in. Okay, so the tripwire mother flipping funnel, I think we'll use a lot of Funnelytics. Funnelytics is this tool. It's a website. Okay, I think ClickFunnels owns it now. I'm not sure, but it's a great way of showing funnels. Now I've got a ton of funnels to show. So like I'm talking mother funnels. Okay, so that YouTube, I said that very emphasized, so YouTube knows I didn't say mother flippa. Maybe they did now. Okay, but anyway, at the end of the day, you know, that's a huge funnel. It's huge. Okay, I go over that. I'm gonna go over mini funnels all the way to super crazy funnels, everything in between too. Now the tripwire funnel, here's kind of how it looks. Okay, you got traffic right here. You're gonna send people basically to like a sales page. And this works best. This makes money, okay? Don't do the two-step order form, okay? It doesn't work the way you want. This stuff's very advanced, I'm sharing you. This took me a long time to figure out. I have multiple funnels at 100 to 1,000 a day. And once again, I've had funnels that have made over 50K to 100K in a day, okay? So this is very real stuff, very serious. So you got the sales page. On the sales page, you wanna basically persuade them, okay? So sales page, and you know, I've done sales pages where they're super simple. Like if you've ever looked at a top selling ClickBank offer, okay, these things make 100K a day, okay, all the time, especially the ones on the first page, getting promoted by affiliates, like tons of an army of affiliates. It's a big deal. What they do a headline. It could be a curiosity based headline, what's in it for them headline. It could be a benefits driven headline, okay, or just an emotional based headline, or it's called the big promise headline, where you have a big guarantee, a big promise stated up there. Curiosity based headline works great for collecting emails, but we don't want to collect emails. The only time we want to collect emails is if we are getting a buyer's email list, and that happens by default on the order page. Okay, now having a video sales letter, this is huge, okay, because a video sells. In the past it used to be like a written sales letter. Now it's like VSLs are the way to go, which is video sales letter. Okay, all it is, it could be you just standing in front of the camera, just like giving value and then pitching. That works extremely well, and that's a simplistic way. Most times, what determines the success of a funnel always is the perceived everything. Okay, perceived everything beforehand. And what I mean by that is like, what temperature is the traffic you're sending? Do they know, like, and trust you already? Do they have no clue who you are? Or have they been referred by someone they know or trust? That's warm traffic. So if they're hot traffic, this converts like wildfire. You don't have to really do anything. If it is cold traffic, it requires more of a bridge to sell, okay? And what that usually is, by the way, no one's up for the challenge for cold traffic. And the people who are, like me and other super rich marketers have been in the game for many years, are like over 40 years old. They know cold traffic and they love the challenge of it. Now, how do you do it? Cold traffic requires people to go on a trust journey with you, if you will. So basically, they consume content from your brand or business to build trust and get value. If they want more value, you're going to link to, on all the content you send the cold traffic to, all the content, you're going to link to something to sell, and it's going to be your funnel. So that's for cold traffic. If it's warm traffic, send them directly to your freaking, you can send them just to your order form, okay? If it's cold traffic, if it's hot traffic. If it's warm, definitely always send them to a bridge page, a sales page like this, or you can send them to your content first, okay? If it's warm traffic. Like I'm talking warm traffic is if someone recommends you or is endorsing you. This is huge. No, understanding traffic is probably by far, okay? It is by far the most important for funnels. People think funnel is just, okay, the funnel is great. There's so much going on here that people don't realize, okay? This is like the secrets, okay, that make you money. And if you want to invest in the stock market, by all means do it. But you're going to be making very risky ROIs. There's a lot of just stress involved in that. No guarantees involved in that. This is all guaranteed stuff. Like you could set yourself up for super success right here. And by the way, traffic sources that are good is Facebook and YouTube. Okay, FB and YouTube. Traffic sources also that can work. And that's, excuse me, that's a dog. It's an annoying dog. Okay, traffic sources that are really, really good. Also, other than that, is like adult traffic's good. Snapchat traffic's good, stuff like that. But by far, YouTube is my favorite right now. Okay, YouTube. And I don't know why I said UB. UT is what I meant. But anyway,